Welcome back. As a part of this video, we'll understand different interfaces on which you can practice PySpark. One of the interface is command line interface. Most of the course we have recorded on command line interface. How do you get into the command line interface? Just say PySpark, provided you have already installed PySpark. Then it gives us the PySpark terminal. Okay, wonderful. So we do have Spark terminal where we can do hands-on. Let me create a data frame here. I'll say df is equal to spark dot range, and I'll say 1, 10, and I'll say to df, and I'll say num. Let me execute this. Done. This is how I created a data frame. df, that is a data frame name, spark dot range, and I'm providing 1 to 10 because I want the numbers from 1 to 10. Let me go ahead and see how this data frame looks like by using a df.show. Wonderful. We created a data frame in Spark terminal, and also we are able to see that data frame. Throughout this course, we have done hands-on on the terminal. But if you are not comfortable with the hands-on on terminal, you can also practice Spark on Jupyter Notebook. So if you have configured the Jupyter Notebook, this is how it looks like. What you can do is you can click on new here, and it will have an option of Python 3. Then it will open up a new page. Here you can start typing your code. For now, I will type in a code which is prerequisite for you to create the data frame. So this is the code which is prerequisite to create a data frame. What exactly it is? So the prerequisite to execute any PySpark code in Jupyter Notebook is you have to import a Spark session, and also you have to create a Spark session. What is Spark session? We'll understand that in the subsequent videos. Now, whatever we did in terminal, see, we created a data frame. We'll do the same thing in Jupyter Notebook. I'll say df and say spark dot range 1, 10. I'll say 2 df. Okay, and also I will go ahead and say df dot show. You can see it is executing here. There is a star here. That means it is executing. It is still executing. There you go. We're able to see the data frame. So you have two options to do hands-on for PySpark. One is on the terminal. The second one is on the Jupyter Notebook. So whichever you are comfortable, you can use that particular option. Wonderful. Have a good time.